When I think about His grace, His freedom, something like a woman praise. I'm grateful.
Good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday morning, February the 3rd, 2026 at 6, let's see what time it is, 6:33 a.m. I received a requested poplin order on yesterday, and now I'm getting dressed to go pick it up. And I believe I told her I will be there around, let me fix this, around, oops, my head cut off, around 7 a.m. And I believe that she has 3 bags, if I can remember. It was 3 bags. So we'll see when we get there. So I'm getting to go warm the car up, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. They'll go pick up this requested order. And then we have my 4-hour case from 8 to 12 today. And that's the only case I have on today. And after that, I think I'm going to get me an oil change, because I haven't had an oil change in a while. And even though my oil light haven't came on, I still want to get it, because the stickers in my car, they're not correct. So because I can't remember, I'm just going to go ahead and get one. So I'm just going to bring you guys along with me to go pick up this laundry, and then we'll bring it back, and then we'll get started on the laundry. So let me finish putting my shoes on, and then we'll be out the door. All 3 bags has been picked up. Now I'm on my way to work. And I also want to ask a question. If anyone who may be watching my videos, hold on, if you're doing poplin, do you ever have issues? Have you ever have issues taking the photos when it goes to picking up the laundry and dropping off the laundry in your app? Because I've contacted support multiple times about the issue, and it's not my phone. And I think I said this multiple times. With the other apps I do, I don't have this issue. So, and I always have to restart my phone or cut my phone off, cut it back on, and then sometimes it will work then. But I did it this morning. I get to pick up the laundry, and it won't take the photo. So once I get to work, I'm gonna go in the back in the trunk, and I'm gonna go ahead and snap the picture, because I restarted my phone again. So if anyone who's doing poplin laundry orders, if you have issues with your app taking the pictures, please leave it in the description box and let me know. Anyway, I'm on my way to work. I'll see you guys when I start the laundry. good morning. It is early Wednesday morning, 7:05 a.m. We're on our way to drop off the requested order that we picked up on yesterday. We're dropping off 3 bags. It was a pretty easy order. I can't remember how many pounds of laundry it was. If I screenshot it, I'll put it up.
At the next
so
light,
you guys
use the
can
left
see.
2 lanes to turn left.
But it's a beautiful morning. It is 39 degrees. That is so much better than what it have been. It's been like 19
At the light,
and
turn left onto Todd's Lane.
19 and 20 degrees outside. So it feels nice compared to what it has been. Anyway, I'm on my way to drop off this laundry. So let's go drop it off, and then I'll be back once I drop it off. Delivery has been completed. Let's go back and see what I made with that offer, that order, which was $27.30 without the tip, and it was 39.40 pounds of laundry, so it wasn't much laundry to be done. So now we're on our way to work. Thank you guys for always popping in, commenting, supporting. I know it was a short video, but I wanted to get a video out to you guys because I haven't done a video in a couple of days. There's a lot of traffic this morning. So I hope you guys have been doing well. Thank you for thank you for always commenting. If you are not a part of Mom on a Mission, please be a part. It is definitely free. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys be